Okay friends, we are discussing 10 questions from biochemistry. So first question, they're saying that hyperammonemia, so increased level of ammonia in the blood. So which cycle is interrupted? Ornithine cycle. So ammonia converts into urea. Which cycle? Ornithine cycle. This cycle. So if this cycle is not going to happen, ammonia will increase. And next question, they are saying that delayed mineralization of cranial bones. So which vitamin is helping mineralization of bone? Vitamin D, cholecalciferol. This is the answer. You can refer this one, vitamin D metabolism. Okay, next question, smell of acetone from the in a patient who have emergency condition, grave condition, and smell of acetone from mouth, which shows diabetic ketoacidosis and high amount of blood. So in blood, high amount of glucose. So patient at hyperglycemic coma. Here they ask the mechanism of action of allopurinol. Allopurinol is inhibit the enzyme xanthine oxidase. So from purines, from the nucleic acids, the purines will form. Purines metabolized into uric acid. So xanthine oxidase is helping this conversion. So if allopurinol helps to inhibit this enzyme and prevent the formation of uric acid. ATP synthesis totally blocked in a cell. How will value of membrane resting potential will change? It will disappear. So it's a basic concept question. Rest membrane potential depends on concentration gradient of Na plus and K plus. So the concentration gradient is maintained by Na plus K plus ATPase pump. So if there is no ATP, there is no concentration gradient. If there is no concentration gradient, there is no resting membrane potential. So next question, high amount of galactose and patient show some symptoms, that is galactosemia. Galactokinase is deficient in this condition, which helps in the conversion of galactose into galactose 1 phosphate. And one patient have cancer and high rate of serotonin, and they indirectly asking from where which amino acid is serotonin is going to be produced, that is tryptophan. Tryptophan is amino acid. It helps in the production of serotonin or 5-hydroxytryptamine. And they are asking which chemical helps in inflammatory effects. So from arachidonic acid, prostaglandins are produced. It helps in the inflammation. Aspirin, which can bind cyclooxygenase enzyme, so there is no inflammation will happen. So vitamin B12 absorption is helped by which factor? That is gastrus intrinsic factor or gastromucoprotein. Vitamin B12 combined with the intrinsic factor forming a complex that resists digestion by GAT enzymes. This complex is absorbed at terminal ileum by pinocytosis. Vitamin B12 is transported to the liver where it is stored. So they are asking mechanism of action of disulfiram, and disulfiram inhibits ALDH. From ethanol alcohol is converted to first acetaldehyde, then it converts to acetate. So from acetaldehyde, acetate is formed with the help of ALDH enzyme, ADLH enzyme. Disulfiram inhibit aldehyde dehydrogenase. So acetaldehyde will increase. Okay friends, thank you.